Nope. That sounds nice. It's got a good sound to it.
Got some good mufflers for it.
What year is it like a 60s bug motor?
Well, it's 69 Karmann Ghia frame, everything underneath. It gives me the forced disc brakes of that era and the independent suspension in the rear. And then the motor's got parts in it.
How often you drive it around?
How often?
Yeah, do you take it to town very much?
Yeah. I got it set up for my best friend over here.
Is that the dog?
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome.
No seat.
And this is a kit car, right, originally?
Yeah.
Huh.
Out of the 70s. Some guy found the molds and started making them again about 25 years ago.
Yeah.
And that's when I bought it. And I drove it for a little while, not even enough to break the motor in, and it ended up parked under a tree with a tarp on it. Then Jim Mann came by and felt sorry for me because I was going to have to give up the motorcycle for the most part.
Right.
And he took it to Texas and brought it back. It's a running car.
That's pretty awesome. It's very nice of him to do. It's got a stereo under there too. Cool.
Yeah.
I bet this thing's fun. Does it go off-roading pretty well? With these tires?
Yep. It hangs on and slides around the corners and does all the stuff it's supposed to.
That's cool. And you get lots of attention when you go into town. Hey, Duke.
Yeah, I get people waving at me in their cars. It's a little extra show when Duke's over here. He's either looking over the windshield or around it.
That's awesome. He just hops in the side there.
Yep. It's only got one door.
Yeah, I remember. What a transformation from when the last time I saw it.
Yeah, it blew my mind.
That's cool.
Absolutely free.
Wow.
He didn't ask me for a penny.
That's very nice of him.
That's a good friend.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't take it on like Jeep trails, but the
Right.
access roads.
Right.
We have, I don't know, a couple of 100 miles of access roads in the immediate area.
Okay.
And those are the ones I go out for the hunters, visit in their camps with them, and have contests and prizes.
What kind of pipes are on these? Are like aftermarket headers, huh?
Oh yeah.
It's pretty neat.
They boost the horsepower up a little bit, and then got an oil cooler on it.
Nice and easy to work on too.
Yeah, the whole thing just folds up.
Yeah.
And it looks terrible underneath.
Yeah, they always do.
Didn't build it to be shiny.
No. Is this top go on it too?
Yes.
Huh.
That just bolts right on.
That's neat. Really neat.
Turned out pretty interesting. The car that I used, like I said, it was a 69 Karmann Ghia.
Yeah.
Turns out that this kit uses a Karmann Ghia windshield. You buy it.
An actual Karmann Ghia windshield.
Yeah.
Wow.
You buy it and glue it in.
Yeah.
So the curvature of the frame perfectly fit the curvature of that, because I laid this fiberglass top up on the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia before I threw it away.
Really?
So it has exactly the same curvature, drops right down on it perfectly.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah. And I used the old-fashioned moon roof, and it actually folds up.
Oh, that's cool. Wow, that's a good toy you got there.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for showing me.